Good morning, students. Today we will be solving exercise 5.9 of NCERT Mathematics of Class 6. So, the first question is match the following. There are two columns. In one column, the name of the figure, that means the three-dimensional shapes are given, and on the other column, the shapes are drawn. The same you can see in your textbook also. So these shapes are three-dimensional shapes. That means it not only has length and breadth, but it also has height. So we have to relate them, which of the names can match with the shape given here. Cone. A figure cone looks like this. The base will be circular and this will be raised up to a height in a conical form. Sphere, just like your ball, the football, the cricket ball. Cylinder, in case of a cylinder, there will be a circular plate at the bottom, a circular plate at the top, and then it will be having a curved surface. This is called as cylinder. A cuboid has a shape like this. See, I can show you. What type of shape is this? You will find that there is length in it, there is breadth in it, and there is a height in it. This is prepared by using the examination board only. I have used examination board, one at the top and one at the bottom, and I have used the scales, the three-dimensional scales, as the pillars. So you will find that they are parallel to each other. Their length, the length and the breadth are different, and the height is different. So it is called as a cuboid. It is called as a cuboid. This kind of box is also an example of cuboid. If you close it, see, it will be a cuboid. And in this cuboid, there can be many other cuboids which can be fitted in. Like, see, there are many small cuboids which are fitted inside this. There are many small cuboids fitted inside this. That means three-dimensional shapes which has length, breadth and height has some space in it, in which other matters can also be occupied. So we can measure the volume of three-dimensional shape, but in case of two-dimensional shape, we can only measure the area. That is not asked here, but just to enrich your knowledge, I am telling you. Next part of the same question is, we have to give two examples of each of these. Oh, this shape E will be this shape. Since I have drawn this on the board, you might be feeling that it is a triangle containing other triangles inside. But no, it is also a three-dimensional structure like this. Do you see the base? Now if I keep it like this, you will find that there are triangular shapes going upward and forming a cone at the tip. This kind of shape is called as pyramid. However, this is a square pyramid, but this pyramid is a triangular pyramid. Now we have to give two examples of each. Can you give me some examples of pyramid? The Pyramid of Egypt. In Egypt, the dead bodies are kept inside a three-dimensional structure called as pyramid. So this is one example of the pyramid. Another example can be top of the temples, particularly in case of temples, you will find that the top of the temple, that means the roof, is made in the form of a pyramid, not in the form of dome in general, but it could be in the form of dome or hemisphere also. But if you will see, most of the temples, they are pyramidal in shape. Next is cone. Two examples of cone could be ice cream cone and the tip of the pen and pencil. The tip of the pen or pencil is conical, see, is conical. Or we can write tip of the pen, cylinder, the tumbler at home, the tumbler at home, and tiffin carrier, the tumbler is the glass in which you drink water, and the tiffin carrier, they can be cylindrical, cuboid, instrument box, and other boxes. Is there anything left? Sphere, cricket ball, and planets like Earth. Although it is not completely sphere, but nothing is perfect. Although Earth is not completely spherical, Moon is not completely spherical, the surface is not smooth, but from a long distance we see them as sphere. So we will not become so particular because nothing is perfect in this world. Next is all the examples are done, two examples are given. Now you are asked, what is the shape of your instrument box? So it could be cuboid, I have never seen a Kinder Joy or a ball kind of an instrument box. Generally the instrument boxes are cuboidal in shape. Next, a brick is also a cuboid. A matchbox is also a cuboid. A road roller. What is a road roller? You will see that when construction of the road takes place, at that time a vehicle comes which has a cylindrical drum instead of tire. This cylindrical drum is very heavy and it presses the materials which are put up on the construction site of the road, like the coal tar, grits. These all are pressed with the help of this heavy cylinder. So actually this question does not mean the whole vehicle but the cylindrical part of that. So we can write cylindrical part. A sweet box. A sweet box can be cube also, and a sweet box can be cuboid also. But generally it is cuboid, not a cube. So it will be also cuboid. Now what is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? In case of a cube, the length, breadth and the height all are same. But in case of cuboid, length is different, breadth is different and height may or may be as like length and breadth or maybe also different. So in case of cube, length, breadth and height all are same, but in case of cuboid, length, breadth and height may or may not be same. Another example I can give you of a cube, if you take perfect square and if you keep those squares one above another, it will form a cube. If you take a rectangle and if you keep all those rectangles one above another, then it will form cuboid. Like when you take one cuboidal textbook and you keep many textbooks, it will form a bigger cuboid. But if you take one square paper and you keep other square papers on the top of it, then it will form a cube. If the height to which you are keeping the paper is equal to that of length and breadth. Now today I will leave you with one question. What will happen if you keep many circles one above another? What kind of three-dimensional shape will it form? You can do this experiment with the help of bangles at home, or you can cut out the pieces of cardboards of circles and you can keep them one above another and see what kind of shape it assumes. Alright, with this exercise is complete and I have given you one activity to perform also. So if you are interested in mathematics and you want to become an engineer in future, then you can do this activity and enjoy. Have a great day ahead.